As part of our large family vacation, we stayed in the Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center. We stayed in two queen beds connecting rooms with a water park cypress view. Come take a tour with us to see how luxurious and spacious these rooms can be for a family of 7. First off, look at the length of this hallway. This is one of the many hallways we walked through just to get here, and we're kind of right next to the water park. So we're in 1429 and 1431. These are both connecting rooms.
Who's outside my door?
All right, so let's walk straight to the window, the length of the room. We have the Cypress Springs water park view. You can see the decor is very classy, high quality decor. The beds, the bed frames, and the headboards are really tall. I like the design. It's light, it's airy, it's not tacky at all. Everything just fits in. And Catherine said the same thing. She likes the light and airy look to it, right? They have a nice, is it oil painting? Some kind of painting, but it's nice. Catherine, do you want to do the honors of checking this bed out and see how comfortable it is? You can just, go ahead, we'll jump on top of it. You're not jumping. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is much better. But you have this mirror right in between the two beds. Makes the room look a little bit bigger. And you have this wonderful lamp. I think this is marble. So you have an alarm clock. It has USB ports in here and the regular plugs, triple plugs there. You have your phone. The drawers are pretty deep. We have our stuff in here. There's also an outlet here that they put. So I don't know why they needed this on top of that, but it's there. And then on the side, I just noticed on the side of the beds, they have reading lamps here and USB. The AC control, we already put it down to 70 or 69. And then if you turn around, you have a nice mirror, nice round mirror with gold accents, another lamp here. You also have a nice desk and chair. It's very sturdy. It's kind of giving me like Pier 1 vibes, this chair. And then you have your plugs right there, 2 plugs and the USB outlets again. And then this really skinny drawer. I think it's just meant for papers. And then you have this nice bench. I mean, I have a bench in my room, but this is up there. This is nicely done. You have 2 drawers for more space. Oh, my daughter's purse is there. And then the TV, there's an HDMI direct connect. So it tells you the instructions and you don't have to look for the wire. So that's really helpful. Does it move? No, it's secured in there, but that's nice. If you wanted to connect, say, Xbox or your laptop or something like that. You can also use the QR code found on the desk to order a la carte in-room dining, or use your bedside phone to access direct lines and make reservations for dining or any other services you need. So coming this way, I'm going to show you the closet. I'm just going to look how big it is. If you step back, I'm under 5 feet, and look how big this door is, and it's pretty sturdy. So coming from this way, this light, by the way, it turns on when you access it. So when I went to put this bag inside the closet, it turned on, and it'll be like an automatic on and off. It has ice bucket, 2 glasses. That looks like a good size safe. And then you have 2 additional drawers for whatever you need. Look at that. It closes nice and soft. And then some more storage space down here. It's kind of slanted. I wonder if you can put some wine if you wanted to. It doesn't bang. And then for the closet space, it's tall, but it's not as wide as our other hotel. But look at this. I can't reach it. It's that tall. So if you have a really, really long dress or you're a tall person, this would be perfect. You have enough hangers here. You have your iron and ironing board, and then we have some shoes down here. So there's an ample amount of space, I would say. Okay, they have a little bar. It says treat yourself. They're just telling you, treat yourself to a spa visit today. Save $10 on any 50-minute spa. I wonder how much a spa cost. Oh yeah, okay. So it works differently from the other hotel we're in. It's a little cartridge, and you slide it in this way or this way, one of those directions. You have, I don't know, what flavors are these? You have dark roast, and you have, oh, they're all dark roast. You have 4. You have your cups. You have some actual real creamers in here. So that's nice. Your sugars and your stirs. And then you can use this water for your coffee. That's smart. And then a little refrigerator. My husband already put 2 drinks. I did move this little shelf up so I can fit our reusable cups. And it has a nice glass shelf there too. Is this a freezer? Not sure. So we need a mirror in every room, every hotel room. So you know you're not looking like out of place. Look how big it is. The bathroom is not as spacious wise, but everything looks like it's high quality. It's a dual sink here. So Mr. and Mrs. And then they have the Relache Spa products. So you have a body lotion. This is blue basil and sandalwood. And this is also blue basil and sandalwood. It has lemon, patchouli, and then lime basil and star anise. Pretty good products, right? There's no drawers here. There could be some drawers, but it's open space and easily to get to. And there's a hairdryer, okay? You have nice portraits on the wall. This is another barn-style door. It's huge. Everything is ginormous here. My DJI can't capture the whole thing. Now for the toilet, it is with the shower. I wonder if other rooms are different. I wonder if it's just this. I preferred it to be separate. This glass is so clear that I bumped into this wall, yeah. So anyway, just to let you know, it opens the other way. But yeah, this shower is pretty big. We can have a hoop party in here. And shower head. I love that feature, but I'm assuming one is for the shower head and one is for the handheld. If you're 6'5", I'm pretty sure this is gonna be plenty. This is really, really tall. Then you have your shampoo, your conditioner, and your shower gel. I haven't smelled any of it, but it just sounds very relaxing, especially coming from a spa. You have your soap holder here, and you have just a safety bar here and little footstool. Look at the drain, it's hidden. It's not like a regular drain, so it will drain the water that way without having to see the actual holes of the drain, right? So everything is kind of like aesthetic. One of the things that my daughter pointed out, which I did mention in the first time I filmed this, but almost forgot. Check this out. Woo! That is pretty bright. That is a nice feature. And then you have more outlets on the wall. Here is the first door when you come into the bathroom. It's a pretty heavy door. All of them are. This is a floor to ceiling door. It's like painted on one side, wood on the other. There is a little tiny gap, but you have to go pretty close to the door. This is the door handle, kind of a recessed feature. And then the other side, there's like this little thin mechanism that you push in. So you just put your finger here at the groove. Try not to get your nail caught in there. And then it kind of blocks the way from opening the door. So I'm trying to open the door and it won't. And then just press it on the other side to unlock. And then on the other side, or the inside of the bathroom, another heavy door. It closes nice and smooth. Same thing on the other side of the handle. There's a very thin groove here, the locking mechanism. Be careful not to get your finger caught. So that's how it locks. I'm going to unlock it so you have privacy when you're using the toilet or the shower. And then someone else can use the sink. And we have this map that they gave us downstairs. So we'll be looking into this map and getting ourselves familiarized with the location of everything. And another thing is that they have a really, really good AC coming from this vent. You can feel it. Can you feel the breeze?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, it feels so good. And then connecting rooms. It mirrors itself. This is going to be the messier side, okay? Yeah.
Oh.
And somebody already started making coffee. I can smell the coffee. But it's the same layout. And they have the view of the rapids.
So pretty. I can't wait.
Okay, guys. Well, this is our large family vacation here at the Gaylord. This is our part 2 of our vacation. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Boop, 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 boop. So it doesn't look like they have a clothes rack. Oop. Okay. You have to open it the other way.